Imagine having a cute bird on your birthday. What bird will you choose? But before that, can you please click like and subscribe button before you can pick one? First bird is Gloucester Canary. Comment Canary if you want this cute bird. Next is Caique bird. Comment Caique so you will have this for your birthday. Third, Monk Parakeet. Comment Monk if you want to receive this one. And last, Cockatiel bird. Comment Whistle and share this video so you will have this bird for your birthday.